looking at data and then asking questions from the data. Question: as you look at a data set that has been collected, could you help us understand how you use data visualizations to shape new questions to explore further in the data set?
Hi. Today, I will show you an example of visualizing and interpreting satellite data and then asking questions from the data. Earth-observing satellites use different sensors to collect data about our planet, and these sensors operate in different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. This example is based on satellite data collected within the microwave range of the spectrum, and it's called radar data, which is analogous to an ultrasound. So a signal within the microwave range of the spectrum is sent from the satellite toward the surface of the Earth. And upon reaching the surface, that signal scatters in different directions, and the satellite receives the part of the signal that is scattered towards it. And then through complex processing, we form radar images. Radar is advantageous because it can see through clouds and because the signal can penetrate through the vegetation canopy and tell us whether there is water underneath the vegetation, so whether that vegetation is inundated. And this is important to know when studying wetland ecosystems because during this time, there is a large production of methane. The image that you see here is a radar image of the Amazon basin. The very bright areas are those where vegetation is inundated. And we'll now focus on a wetland complex within the Peruvian Amazon and look at radar images of that area over 4 different dates. Note the variability in black and white tones from month to month. And the red circle here delineates a wetland area that is largely inundated in February, and then less so in June and November, and then again largely inundated in December. So this wetland inundates during the rainy season and then largely dries out during the dry season. So knowing that these areas are seasonally dynamic, we can then start to ask questions about what is the variability of inundation extent in these ecosystems due to climate change. Whether that means there's less precipitation or more precipitation. And to do that, we need a time series of images throughout many different years to look at the seasonal dynamics and how that is varying from year to year, that wetland inundation extent. How is that varying from year to year? And then we can ask other questions, such as what are the implications in terms of methane production with variations in inundation extent of these ecosystems from year to year?